How's it going, everyone? My name is Joe Toscano. I'm the son of Ben and Sandy Toscano, the owners of Gateway Auto. Many of you probably don't know the story of Gateway Auto, how it came to be. You may have been coming here for upwards of a decade. It's the case for many of you, but probably still don't know where we came from. To make it short and simple, I'll give you a brief story of it, which is that this shop started out as necessity. My parents were postal workers. My mom got pushed out of the workforce due to issues that were out of her control. We had to figure out how to make ends meet. My dad decided to start selling cars nights and weekends. He'd be traveling from state to state. But my parents continued to work, continued to build this company. Within 4 years of doing that, they started their first auto body shop, Gateway Collision Center, where we both fixed cars and sold cars. And it was so successful that after 9 years, we had to expand. We went from a 5,000 square foot building just a little over a mile away to the 12,000 square foot building you see here today. It's been extraordinary to watch my parents work and to learn from them what hard work and persistence can do if you just keep at it and be nice to people, provide good service. We spent almost $0 on advertising over the last 18 years, and we're only in existence today because of you. Because you tell your friends about us, because you keep coming back, because for some reason you must be enjoying what we're doing. So I'm here today to tell you thank you. Because what you don't know up until this point is that in 2020, throughout all the chaos we've all been through, you voted us Sarpy County's best. Overwhelmingly. We won every single award. There's so many awards that I can't even tell you off the top of my head, so give me 1 second. You voted us best used auto dealer, best auto body repair, best body shop, best brake service, best tire shop, best muffler shop, best oil change facility, and last but not least, best transmission service. That's a lot. We won an award for literally everything you can do to a car. And just like every other year that we've been successful, it's because of you. So this video today is to say thank you. Thank you for coming in year after year after year. Thank you for sharing your stories with your friends and telling your friends to come in and visit us. And thank you again for voting for us as Sarpy County's best. We hope to see you soon.